Okay, here we are, people. Time to upgrade the camera gear. So the camera that I'm using right now, this may be the last use of it. I'm going to go in and talk to these people and pick up my new camera.
Okay, so you're basically picking up your new camera today.
Correct.
And I don't know what you're getting.
Correct.
So let's go get the camera and we'll figure out what the difference is between that one and the new one.
Sounds perfect, thanks.
Awesome. Okay, righto, Bruce.
Righto. So what have we got?
Okay, you have got a box. There you go. So yeah, no, this is so much better.
Okay.
Because you're going to have a much bigger sensor inside of it, so much better low light.
Yep.
Yeah, so it's going to be so much better than what you've got there. Yeah.
And I'm not sure if you know how old it is, but like it's old.
Yeah, it's been around as long as I have been here. It's a while.
I'm guesstimating I bought it maybe in 2007, something like that.
Yeah,
does that sound about right?
Yeah.
So how does, where are we, where's my finger? How does this compare to this little guy?
You're going to have a lot more detail.
Quality, yeah.
This has got a much bigger sensor inside of it than that one has.
Yep.
Much better glass. Stabilization is going to be so much better.
How about night shooting? Because this is absolutely terrible.
It would be, yeah, it'd be really grainy. This is going to, pick up so much better in that low light.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And did I have a mic as well?
You have a mic?
Okay.
Yes, that one's here.
So tell me about that.
Because it's going to sit on the camera, you're
Yes.
going to get that better sound than what the camera
Exactly.
will actually give you. So
I did look online to decide on that one, and I was very, very pleased to see that RØDE are actually Australian.
Yeah,
which I was pretty happy about, actually.
They're a really good company. We
they're
deal
global.
with them, and they look after our customers amazingly.
Right.
So, yeah,
And
we'll
it
plug
seems...
them a bit.
Sorry?
We'll plug them a bit.
Why not? Why not? Hopefully they'll get back in touch with me.
Yeah. And depending on price, actually, with the price on this one too as well, did you know about our 15% off today at all?
No, I didn't.
You didn't?
I did not.
Well, we have got a sale. So you've come in on an awesome day, Bruce.
You are kidding me.
So you're going to get this at a much better price. I know Nick's done a good price for you as well,
Yeah.
but this will probably be much better than that. And you
What's
get
the
that
chances of that? It's fresh back from work, and I happen to
This
come
is
in on the
not
right day. No.
So yeah, we'll look at that, and we'll also look at your card prices as well too.
Perfect.
And also this, you get 15% off that too.
And as we've just been talking about, I again happen to have walked in on the right day because you've actually now just got the
GoPro
Hero 7,
yes, yeah, the
which
Hero
I was
7.
told 2 weeks ago you had no idea when it was going to arrive.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I'm doing very well today.
You are. I know that there's nearly $100 off of that today.
Wow,
So, yeah.
far out.
Yeah. Mate.
And the thing is that I want to make a big point about is this is going to change my video quality for the viewers who are actually have been tolerating my poor quality videos.
Oh wow, well that's awesome that we can help you out. So,
Thanks
yeah.
very much.
Perfect. We'll get this set up for you. So, do you know about formatting your memory cards?
I'll say no.
Okay, radio. Cool.
I'm going to play dumb, and I am a bit dumb about it.
It's so good. That's why we're here.
I just want to have a look at this camera actually as
Yeah,
well,
go for
because
it.
it looks like you could fly somewhere in it compared to the one I've got. It's a nice looking camera.
It is. Do a little test on it. Make sure it works.
Yeah.
Okay. Radio. So.
Here's the new camera in action.
I'm the videographer here for the day.
That's it.
Okay, testing. Testing.
It does look fancy.
It's pretty amazingly well stabilized. It's pretty. I'm not the best videographer in the world, but I mean, you can see like as I'm bouncing.
It's pretty good.
It's very stable. Yeah. So it'd be good for rocking on the boat.
Yes. The microphone does make it look a little bit more serious.
Very professional. So we've got a stash. I forgot that we had this down here.
This
One
is-
of the guys have just told me.
This is my GoPro 7.
So we're in luck. You have one today.
My goodness. Winning, as I said. Winning.
Awesome.
I'm looking forward to seeing this little guy actually.
They're great. I mean, the old one I have and it's a 3 Plus, and yeah, we vlog it to death, and it's got great footage, so this is going to be even better.
I think I'll be the last person to buy one. I've never had one. I think I'm possibly the only person. Sincerely, a very big thank you to Michelle of Ted's Cameras for her fantastic and very friendly and light-hearted service. And to Ted's Cameras for their consistently great service and prices over many, many years. Thanks again. Hi everybody. Well, this is rather fancy. I've actually invested in a new camera. So I'm filming this with the new Sony 53 something or other. Pretty fancy from what I had. So let's see how this goes. I'm just going to do a little video. I've just got back actually. So back home a couple of days ago. Spent the first 2 days mostly just sleeping, trying to catch up on sleep after all that 7 hours, all of that 12 to 14 hours a day, 7 days a week for 30 days. So yeah, a couple of days of recuperating, shopping and getting things for living here in the boatwork yard. And as I say, got myself a new camera, which looks pretty fancy. I took a picture actually of this one alongside the old one. I'll just see if I can get that. You can see there's a significant size difference. And I know there'll be a huge quality difference. So what I'm going to do now is just film a little bit of things in the boat right now with the new camera and then with the old, and let's see the comparison. Timber work there, all chopped up last time, ready to go in, up in the forward V berth. Now it's not very good light here at the moment. I'm going to zoom in and let's just see the definition. So that's full zoom. Now let's get the oldie. So this is the oldie. I can notice initially it's not as wide an angle, which the new one will be terrific for, because that's one thing I really noticed. The angle's not very good with this one, among other things. Hey, it got me out of trouble. It got my channel up and started. It got me started more than anything. Now that's probably about the focal length of the other one. I can see the definition is massively different, as well as the stabilising is just not there. I'm shifting all around the place there, and that's not deliberate. This does have a better, or not better, but stronger zoom though. Not by heaps though, I guess. But man, it does not have the stabilising or the quality. So there you have it everybody, the new camera, and so hopefully from now on and ahead I can make better quality videos for your viewing experience and pleasure. In next week's video I am straight back into getting the forward V-berth timberwork advancing. I hope you can join me.